We're just going to jump right into the concealer. So these are the ones that we're going to see. Are they dupes? Are they not? Again, this is what I found on Pinterest. So I'm really interested and curious to see what's the tea. What is the tea? Because you guys know that Fenty Beauty is a top selling brand. It is bomb. Most of the products are like top notch. Now, I personally have never tried any Flower Beauty concealers. I have tried their foundations in the past. Y no me gustó, but this is a whole different story. So let me shut my mouth and let's go ahead and start. So on my right side, I'm going to take my Pro Filter Fenty Beauty Concealer. This one is in the shade 235, and this is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium. Now, the only thing that I can think of as far as like them not being maybe the same is the color, and I did swatch them, and these were the ones that, or this one is the one that matched closest to this, because Fenty Beauty has so many shades and undertones, which is amazing. So okay, let's go ahead and start on the right side. I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty one, and I already know how this one works. It is very full coverage, and it can get a little bit cakey on me. I'm going to just take my little e.l.f. sponge, and I'm just going to blend that out. I didn't color correct, even though I need it. But I just wanted to see the concealers on their own and see if they perform well. Fenty Beauty, full coverage, blends out nice, has a little bit of a radiant finish. It's not too matte, it's not too drying, but again, it is on the thicker side. So now let's go in with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. Depending on where you shop, this is $10 at the most versus the Fenty Beauty one, which is $28 or $26. So I am excited for this one. Also, I wanted to do a quick comparison on the wand, and they are pretty similar. This is a Flower Beauty, and this is the Fenty Beauty. As you guys can see, the difference that I really see is that the Flower Beauty has kind of like that little swoop, you know what I mean? And then the Fenty Beauty is a little more flat, but they both have that long doe foot applicator. So just a little observation, if you will. Okay, I can tell you right away, I feel a huge difference as far as the consistency. This one feels lightweight. It doesn't feel as thick or heavy as the Fenty Beauty one. This one as well did a really good job at blending out. I think this one is about maybe like a shade lighter than the Fenty Beauty one, but again, I feel like it's going to be hard to get the perfect match because Fenty does have so many undertones and different shades versus the Flower Beauty. They only have a select amount. So that's also something that you guys want to take into consideration, is if you want a variety of shades and undertones, go with the Fenty Beauty one. But if you don't mind that and you can find a shade with the Flower Beauty, then definitely go the drugstore route, because hello, you're going to be saving some coins. So first impressions, you guys, honestly, I can tell you that they both look very similar. Would I say that these are dupes? I would say that these are dupes, definitely. They both provide you full coverage, except the Flower Beauty is just going to give you a little bit less weight to the skin. So oh, I don't know. That's something that y'all are going to have to, like, you know, pick on your own. The second dupe for Fenty Beauty is their setting powder. Now, I have here the Pro Filter Banana shade, which is the shade that goes with my skin tone. And according to Pinterest, the dupe for the Fenty Beauty Banana Pro Filter is the Covergirl Banana True Blend Minerals. Now, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know this is my baby. This is my ride or die. This goes with me everywhere I go, which is nowhere because I don't go anywhere. But if I do travel, I know that this is going to come with me because I just love the way it looks. So we're going to go ahead and put these to the test. Obviously, we're going to do the Fenty Beauty on this side and the CoverGirl on this side, just so you guys get an idea. CoverGirl retails for about $9, maybe 10, depends again on where you purchase it. The Fenty Beauty Banana retails for $32. That is a huge difference. I have both products on the lid, and I'm going to show you guys that there's definitely a difference in color. This is the CoverGirl Banana Powder, and this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Banana Powder. On camera, they look rather similar, but I'm sure you guys can pick it up. The CoverGirl is slightly more of a bright yellow, where this one is more deep. We're going to dig into the CoverGirl. What I love about the CoverGirl one is that a little goes a long way. This is a girl that's wearing a lot of setting powder, but I usually go a little bit heavier hands because I am a little more oily. Now I'm going to try and clean my beauty blender, and we're going to go into the, actually let me blend out my little creases. Fenty Beauty. I haven't used this one in a minute because I've been so stuck on the CoverGirl. Okay, there we have it. Honestly, now that they are on my face, I can't tell a difference at all. Like, there's no difference in my eyes. So I'm going to take my favorite powder brush. This is the Morphe M554. Yep. So there it is. Oh my god, you guys tell me if you can see this. I am looking into my laptop, into like my monitor, and this side just looks less opaque, and this side looks so bright. Like, it really just gave that extra oomph to, you know, like this area of my eyes. Oh my god, that is crazy. Do you guys see what I'm seeing? If you guys do, let me know in the comment section down below, because wow, I am shook. Like, I like this side so much more, and it's drugstore, honey. I quickly went off camera just to finish off the rest of my face. I went ahead and did a little bit of bronzer, highlights, lashes. Now we're going to move on to a fun part, which is lips. So here we have 1 dupe, 2, and 3. So we're going to see which one is the real deal. First up, let's do a comparison on the liquid lipsticks. So we are going to be comparing the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the shade Uncuffed, which is a gorgeous mauve pink. I really had to push myself to buy this color because you guys know I stick to nudes, but it is a really pretty rosy mauve nude according to Pinterest. The dupe for that is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the shade Soft Spoken. This lipstick has gotten duped so many times, or it's been used as a dupe for so many lipsticks. We're going to do a quick side-by-side comparison. So there it is on camera. It actually looks pretty spot on. So let's do on the top lip the Stunna lip paint. All right, now let's go in with the NYX Liquid Suede and Soft Spoken. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but in person, I can definitely see a bit of a difference. The Stunna lip paint is a little bit deeper, just like a little bit more rosy. This one is a little more soft. So again, very similar. Would I say that these are exact dupes? No, both of them are beautiful shades. So if you are into the mauve, rosy, pinky toned lipsticks, you're definitely gonna like this. Let's move on to the next dupe. This one I'm really excited for because I am a huge gloss lover. I love me a good lip gloss any day, anywhere, anytime. So let's go in with probably their top seller, and this one is definitely my favorite lip gloss. This is the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. If you guys have never tried this, oh my god, this is seriously such a juicy, beautiful shade. This is what it looks like. It's a little bit like a coppery, nudish color. I don't even know how to explain it. The dupe for that one is the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper. This is in the shade Rosy Bronze. Oh, wow. Do you guys see that? What? Okay, let's try it on the lips. So let's do the Fenty Beauty Gloss. On the top, I'm not going to wear any lip liners, any lipsticks. I normally obviously would, but since we are duping just the gloss, we're going to do just that. Oh my god, you guys. This is definitely a winner chicken dinner. There, I want to say that even the Milani is slightly a little bit more sparkly. It has a little bit more like gold reflex, but let's zoom you guys in so you can see the tea on the lips. So there it is. And I can actually feel the Milani one like tingling my lips because it is a lip plumper. There it is, you guys. Fenty, Milani. Can you guys tell the difference? Because I can't. Alright, we're going to move on to the last one, which is the Fenty Gloss in the shade Fuzzy versus the Revlon Super Lustrous The Gloss in the shade Rosy Future. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off. Oh, wow. Okay. No. Rosy Future. Actually, this one looks even more similar to the Fenty Glow than the pink one. Wow, that is a total fail. Do you guys see that? I don't know if they made a mistake on the Pinterest app, but that is definitely not a dupe. But you know what? We're here. We're going to give it a go. I'm going to take the gloss, the Fenty Gloss on the top. And then the Revlon The Gloss. I mean, if you are paying attention, you can definitely tell that this is lighter coverage. This one has a little more color to it, but I wouldn't say that these are dupes because it doesn't have that like soft pink undertone. Oh my god, that is such a bummer. That is it for these 5 dupes of Fenty Beauty's top selling products versus drugstore products. What do you guys think? Which one was your favorite dupe? And do you think we actually got to dupe any of this? Was Pinterest right or not? I was only disappointed in this one, but other than that, honestly, I'm so glad that I filmed this video because I love saving myself some coins and I love saving you guys some coins. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Definitely let me know in the comment section and down below what other dupes you guys want to see. Maybe we can do like Huda Beauty. I don't know. Let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!